Hi boys and girls, for this activity we are going to be sorting animals by their characteristics. There are a few materials that you're going to need. You need this activity sheet, a pencil, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. If you don't have all four of those items, pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Boys and girls, the first thing we're going to do is write our name up at the top of the paper with our pencil. Go ahead and take a moment to do that now. If you need more time, pause the video. All right, now we're ready to get started. Go ahead and pick up your scissors and you're going to cut across the bottom of this paper so that the columns are up here and you have all the pictures separate. And then do you see the dotted lines? You're going to cut on those dotted lines so you can separate all of the pictures so we can sort them and glue them where they belong. Go ahead and pause the video while you cut out all the pieces. Great. We're ready to get started. Let's look at the headings of our columns so we'll know what our options are for sorting these animals. It says that you're going to glue the pictures below in the correct category each animal belongs to. So we want to look for this column, we want animals with feathers. For this column, we want animals with scales. For the third column, we want animals with fur. And for the last column, we want animals that have a shell. So let's review those. Feathers, scales, fur, and shell. All right, our first picture that we're looking at is this picture right here of this polar bear. So, does a polar bear have feathers? No. Does a polar bear have scales? No. Does a polar bear have fur? Yes. So I'm going to get my glue stick, turn my picture over and put a little bit of glue on the back and glue it right here under the column that says fur. Go ahead and do that now. Does your paper look like mine? Great. Now, boys and girls, you're going to do that for all the rest of the pictures. Remember to set your timer for 10 minutes so that you can keep on track and getting your work completed. Let me review the headings for the titles really quick again for each row. Feathers, scales, fur, and shell. Make sure when you're done that you take a picture on Seesaw and send it to your teacher.